how to create a Google Meet invitation. So first is of course head over to the Google Meet website right here, which is meet.google.com, and just simply click on new meeting. So you could either start an instant meeting, create a meeting for later, or schedule in Google Calendar. So if I go to schedule in Google Calendar, it will bring me right here. And as you can see, there's an option right here to add guests. So you could invite guests if you want. But if you go to the instant meeting right here, so I'm just going to start an instant meeting. So as you can see, once the meeting starts, there's an option, or there's this pop-up on the left side where it will show the meeting link. You just simply need to click on that to copy the link and send this to someone that you want to invite, and they will just simply need to click the link so that they will be brought right here inside of the meeting. And if you're the host, you simply need to go to the bottom right here on the host controls, and you could pick here on the meeting access type. So you could set this to open or trusted, and if it's set to open, no one has to ask to join. Anyone with the link can basically join the meeting. But if it's set to trusted, and if you check this checkbox, it means that anyone with the meeting link can ask to join, so that if someone wants to join, you could admit them, and you could also deny the access if you don't want that particular person to join. And there's also the add others option right here, and if you click on that, this will pop up where you could just simply put the name or email that you want to invite inside of the Google meeting. And that is how you basically create a Google Meet invitation.